Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So, it was a strong session yesterday for our markets. While the Nifty was up just 0.3%, but there was a late surge in the afternoon. And broader markets में हमने काफ़ी अच्छे gains देखे. तो across sectors, defense, sugar, railways and broader markets में काफ़ी momentum था कल. US markets ended higher overnight, and the US FOMC, as expected, kept the rates unchanged and even reiterated that 2 rate cuts in CY25, and there will be 2 more in CY26 and 1 in CY27. So largely rate will reach 3% by end of 2027. The tariff uncertainty due to the Trump tariffs will likely lead to higher inflation as per the Fed. So they raised the core CPI estimates to 2.8% for this year versus 2.5% previously, and also lowered the growth forecast for this year to 1.7% versus 2.1% previously. Also, the Fed said that the unemployment rate also would be higher at 4.4% this year. But more or less, the Fed dismissed any recession worries that was worrying the markets. So post this meeting, we saw US markets remaining strong, and also um, the fact that next week we'll have the tariffs from Trump for every country, that is a reciprocal tariffs. So in the next FOMC meeting, the US Fed will have more clarity on the extent of tariffs and the inflation pressures that are likely to come about. Asian markets are trading mixed today. Hang Seng is lower because China has left its benchmark interest rates unchanged, and the gift nifty is indicating a gap up opening for our markets, so the momentum of the last 3 days should continue today. Coming to the stock specific news, so wire and cable stocks will be in focus again today, and also Adani Enterprises, as Adani Enterprises subsidiary Kutch Copper has incorporated a joint venture with the Pranita Ventures for cable and wires business. So this further increases competition in the cables and wires space. We have already seen the correction in the stocks last month when Ultratech Cement announced its decision to enter into this segment. So overall, expect a negative reaction today for Polycab, KEI Industries, Havels, as well as RR Cable. Gold finance stocks also will be in focus. Gold prices further inched up yesterday at $3,050 per ounce. So Manappuram Finance, Muthoot Finance will be in focus. Muthoot Finance also touched a record high yesterday. Hyundai India has announced a price increase of up to 3% for its vehicles, so it is following Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors, which also increased their prices, while the demand continues to be weak. Avenue Supermarts announced that it will invest 175 crores in its subsidiary Avenue E-commerce, which operates the DMart Ready. So quick commerce is increasing the competition for DMart, and further cash infusion is to grow the business. Canfin Homes, the CEO has announced his resignation due to personal reasons, so expect a mild negative reaction for Canfin Homes. BMW Industries has approved a capex of 800 crores for a greenfield downstream steel complex in Jharkhand. MCX will launch 10-gram gold futures contracts from 1st April, so expect additional business to come through, so positive for MCX. In terms of the action in bulk and block deals, so SBFC Finance, a promoter, SBFC Holdings, sold 1.36 crore shares at 82 rupees per share, and promoter holding has reduced to 53.5% from 54.8% previously. Mahindra Lifespace, Goldman Sachs India equity portfolio sold 8.5 lakh shares yesterday. Also, in terms of promoter buying, so Texmaco Infra, Westlife Food, Steel Strip Wheels, Poonawalla FinCorp, La Opala, Time Technoplast, Senco Gold witnessed promoter buying yesterday, while promoter selling was witnessed in Pidilite Industries, JB Chemicals, and Dr. Lal Path Labs. So that's it on the Fundamental Podcast today. Thank you for listening. Have a happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.